Welcome peeps, welcome back to my channel. So today on How We Cooking Time, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious crispy fried shrimp. So if you want to learn this amazing recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. So to begin, I have 1 pound of jumbo shrimp. I have already cleaned my shrimp with lime, vinegar and water. Then I pat dried the shrimp. They are already deveined, so now they are ready to be seasoned. So to season my shrimp, I'm just going to add all my seasonings into a bowl and give this a quick mix. So I'm adding some black pepper, cayenne pepper, all-purpose seasoning, some fish seasoning, some turmeric powder for color. So guys, everything will be in the description box down below, so you can check that out. This is how it looks. So now you want to just add 1 tablespoon of the seasonings onto the shrimp. Now going in with 1/4 cup of hot sauce, so you can use your favorite hot sauce for this recipe. Then I'm just going to whisk an egg, then I'm just going to pour that onto the shrimp. Next I want to go in with some mustard. Now that I have added all my ingredients, I'm just going to give this a quick mix. So this is how it looks, guys. So now I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit for around 10 to 15 minutes to allow the shrimp to absorb this mixture. So when it comes to fried shrimp, it's all about the crispy coating. So for me, I'm just going to use 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, I will start to combine all my ingredients, and this will be my coating for my shrimp. So now this is ready to go. So at this point, I'm just going to remove around 3 to 4 of my shrimp from my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients. Then I will cover the container to give this a quick shake to allow all that nice flakes to form on the shrimp, so that you can get that nice crispy coating on the shrimp when it's fried. So guys, check out those flakes. So this is what you're looking for. This is what you want. Now I will repeat the process and place all the shrimp that is coated on a clean plate. So now that everything is nicely coated, this is how they look. So they are ready to be fried. So now I am going to add about 1 to 2 cups of oil to the pot and allow this to get nice and hot to 350 degrees. Or you can test it a Jamaican way if you don't have a thermometer. So you just add a little flour to the oil, and if the flour floats to the top, you know that the oil is ready and hot, so you can add your shrimp at that time. That's the little trick we use here. So now you just want to add around 5 to 7 shrimp depending on the size of your pot, and allow this to fry for 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until they are nicely golden brown. Once they are nicely golden brown, you want to remove the shrimp, allow them to drain on paper towel or a cooling rack. After that, you want to repeat the process until all your shrimp nicely fried. So these are done. They are nicely golden brown. So now you just want to drain them and enjoy your shrimp, guys. So this is it pretty much. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yes, guys. So this is it. Our shrimp is nicely done. They are nicely golden brown and crispy on the outside, so tender in the inside. Yes, guys, these shrimps were amazing, and I made my favorite homemade hot sauce to that. And also, guys, I fried some fries for my fries lovers. Yes, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this amazing recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Yes, guys, for more amazing recipes. So until I see you next time, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.